Hey visibility hackers, today we're making ebooks in Canva. Whether you're making ebooks or reports, presentations, or flyers, Canva is an incredibly powerful tool that you can get access to absolutely free. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a value-packed ebook in minutes. I'll show you how to fully customize it in just a few clicks, and we'll talk about how non-creatives can get cutting-edge design. All this and more. Stay tuned. Simple yet impactful things that you can do in Canva include adding text and pictures and graphics and colors and logos and all that kind of stuff to your presentations and to your ebooks. So let's dive into the computer and I'll show you how to do all of those. Welcome to the inside of the computer. Here you can see that we've opened up a new document in Canva and we've added in different text. Here you can see we've added a headline, we have subheadlines, and we have paragraphs. And now, if you want, you can change around the fonts. Say that they don't match your brand. So all you have to do is select the area of text you want to change. And up here on the menu bar, you can select the drop-down menu for fonts. Here it'll give you all the different fonts that either you have uploaded to your account or that are provided in your Canva account. Now remember, if the font has a little crown icon next to it, that means it is not included in the free edition of Canva. You will need to purchase the Pro account if you'd like to use that font, or you can pay for its one-time use, I'm pretty sure. So I'm going to select a different font here, and I'm going to show you now how we can change the size of it. You can either click and drag on the text element itself, or with that element selected up here on the top bar, you can increase your font size by clicking the plus sign. The minus will make it smaller. You can also use the up and down arrows on your keyboard as well if you've selected the size. So that is a little bit nicer for me. You can also add graphics. So on this side menu on the left-hand side, click on Elements, and you can select the search bar at the very top and type something in. We might as well click search for what we did most recently, which is the word live streaming. When you select your search term, it will automatically give you all of the different options, meaning all of your photos and graphics and videos and audio files are all mixed in together. If you would like to look just for photos, you can select photos. By selecting graphics, you get all the different kinds of graphics, videos, and audio files. So for today, we're going to select a graphic. So we're going to select graphics and we're going to find one that we like. I am a fan of this one right here, so I'm going to select it. Now, before we go and edit the size of it on the document itself, I want to draw your attention to this icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the selection here. That Pro icon is just like what we talked about when we talked about fonts. That means you require a Canva Pro account to use that graphic, or you can purchase a one-time use of it if you only have a free account. So we have selected the graphic we'd like. We're going to hide this menu. We can then click and drag our graphic all around, and clicking the corners, dragging those, we can resize and we can snap it to the grid. That's how simple it is to add fonts, to add text, to change fonts, to add and resize your graphics. It's a really simple way to add great impact. Back to you in the jungle. Well, that was simple. You know what else is simple? Clicking the subscribe button and joining us here on the channel. We release new videos every single week talking about how to increase your influence, your authority, and your income online, and I'd love to see you along for the journey. Once you've put together all of your pages, it can feel a little bit overwhelming. When you're putting an ebook together in a document processor, it's really hard to move the pages around. But in Canva, it's super easy. So let's dive back into the computer and I'll show you how to do that. All right, welcome back to Canva. Here you can see that we have multiple pages in our document. So if you go down to the bottom right-hand corner of your page in Canva, there's a little icon that'll be a couple of squares with a number in it. The number is the number of pages you have in your document. I want you to press that button because this is going to open up a tiled version of what your document looks like. So here, if you want to move pages around, you simply select them, make sure that they're highlighted in purple, and then you can click and drag them to wherever you'd like them to end up. If you'd like to deselect on the top of the page, you can select deselect. And if you'd like to select multiple pages, simply click and click again when holding the Shift button down. You can also move multiple pages around at the same time that way. You can also add in covers and new pages. You can add a new page to the very end of your document by clicking the big plus sign. You can also add pages in the middle of your documents by hovering in between the pages and clicking Add Page. We can delete a page by selecting it and clicking the Delete button in the top right-hand corner, or we can select a page clicking the 3 dots in the top right hand of that page, and we can delete or duplicate or add in a new blank page. So I hope this was easy enough for you, because it was easy enough for me. Whoa, that was cool, super easy. Just connect all of your brand colors, all of your logos, and you can have that same impact in your designs. But I know coming up with designs and doing all that kind of stuff can feel a little bit overwhelming. So if you're feeling overwhelmed, definitely drop it down in the comments below. Let us know. What are you stumbling with? What are you stuck on? But also, let's celebrate your superpower. So let us know down below as well, what is your design superpower? If you're one of those ultra creatives, show us some cool designs that you've been doing recently. I know not everyone considers themselves a creative, so the cool thing that you can do with Canva is you can actually purchase pre-designed templates. These will help you create your ebooks and your presentations and all of those cool designs you want in Canva in a lot quicker. So there's a variety of different places you can find online that will show you, that'll allow you to purchase templates designed by other designers. Creative Market is one that I enjoy for sure. And there's a whole bunch of different designers that you can choose from. You can also hire someone on Fiverr to make a custom design for you that you can use that template over and over again. And of course, if you like to dabble, why not create your own template as well? And then that makes the redesigning of each new iteration a lot easier because you can base them all on the same design. Canva is fantastic and there is a free version of it, but so many of these cool tools are only available with the Canva Pro account. And you can get your own account. There's a link down below, and I would love to see what kinds of designs you come up with. So if you share them on social media, definitely tag us on Instagram at Visibility Hacking, and we would love to see what kind of cool stuff you guys are coming up with. So thank you guys so much for joining me for this episode. I will see you in our next one. In the meantime, enjoy these videos, and we'll see you again soon.